Hi, boys and girls. Today we're practicing one more on our counting strategies. So you should be experts by now at this one. So let's get started by putting your name at the top. Okay, so after 50 is 51. And then 76, 77, 29, 30. What comes after 84? 85. 56, 57, 31, 32, 79, then 80. And after 10 is what? 11. Very good. Okay, so now it's your turn to practice on your own. So push pause and finish this row and then push play. Okay, did you practice? You should have 40, 83, 56, 27. What's after 104? Yeah, 105. After 62 is 63, 34, 35. And what's after 99? 100. Very good. Okay. Looking at the back, you're going to need a crayon, so I'll give you just a second to get a crayon. And we're going to find a path from the number 1 to the number 30. So, I hope you have your crayon ready. So first you need to find the number 1, and you're going to color that box where the 1 is. And then you're going to find 2 and color that box. And we're going to keep going until we get all the way to 30 and see if we got the maze right. So then there's 3, 4, then we have 5,
6,
what comes after 6?
7,
7, 8, 9, and 10. So you're going to keep going. I'm going to push stop. I want you to push stop, and then you're going to keep going, and then you're going to push pause and see if yours looks like mine. So keep going to the next number, which is 11, then 12, and keep going all the way to 30. Then push play and see if yours looks like mine. Okay, so you should have finished, and if your maze looks like mine, give yourself a smiley face at the top, and then you can turn it in to your teacher and do what she would have you do next.
Bye.